everyone, I am Sujata Parolkar from JNU Ojhar, Badwani, and I am working in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti since 1992. Everything was going on very nicely in a cordial environment, exams were going on, and suddenly an information came that the school has to be closed because a deadly disease has spread out. What will happen next? It was a big challenge for everybody. What will happen of our students? How will we contact them? How will we teach them? So many things were there and everybody was confused and there was no answer. And I thought that I will take this challenge, and on 7th April, I made my first video for my 10th class students. I made videos on the syllabus of class 10th. We are facing lots of problems and all classes are suspended. So for the junior classes 6 to 8 we can still make up, but for the 10th class we should not waste our time and we should continue our study. So this thought came into my mind and I started this tune. Now dear students, you are my prince and princess and I welcome you all. So before we start, we should know that good, better, best, never rest till good is better and better best. So I never dreamed about success, I work for it. So let's together work for it, and we all know that if we will work for it, we will make it. So first today, we will talk about. But now the next question was how to make students reach this video. This was a big problem. So next day I went to the office and I took the file and started searching for the numbers of the students. I started calling them each and every one individually. Some of the students had smart mobiles and some of didn't have. So I contacted them and slowly the chain began. And in this way, I again contacted students of class 7th, 8th, 9th, 11th and 12th also. And we started having groups on WhatsApp. I made videos on the initial syllabus, lesson 1, 2, 3 and grammar portions. All were covered. Slowly and slowly students started taking interest and a big group was formed. Today I am having more than 150 videos and my subscribers are also about 1300. And not only Navodaya Vidyalaya students but students of nearby Navodayas all over India. Many NGOs, they are also with me. They are taking my videos in the remote areas and I am very satisfied. And this is the greatest reward. And I thank Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti for providing me.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Singh, currently studying in 12th standard. I had a great opportunity to learn English from a great and inspiring Sujata Parolkar ma'am in my 10th standard. She puts a lot of hard work and effort in classes. She polished my writing skills to a great extent and she made me an extempore orator by constantly boosting my confidence and giving me opportunities. Ma'am, your smile is beautiful. It's like a spiritual perfume you spray on others. Everyone around you is benefited from it. Because of her fun-loving personality, it's very much fun to learn with her. Not only in academics, she's amazing in co-curricular activities too. She taught us Bhangra, Punjabi Bhangra, and it was a lot of fun. After performing, we were applauded a lot by everyone. And at the end, I want to say that I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud to say that I'm her student. She has achieved a lot and wish her more heights in future.
Activities that I was doing before lockdown in normal routine. Being CCA in charge, pace setting in charge, I have always been motivating and encouraging my students to do something creative and to do normal things also in innovative way. Like celebration of days, sending Rakhis to brave soldiers at Siachen Glacier, going to nearby village school to enhance and motivate learning skills in them, offering water and tea to pilgrims going to Nangalwadi at Nag Panchami along with slogans of cleanliness, save girls and so on. Through anchoring, I infuse new ideas in my students. Choreographing dances and programs under Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. I bring all staff and their families under one roof by organizing various social activities like Women's Day, etc. But during lockdown, I did not stop. I attended online quiz on mygovernment.com, which was followed by my students. When I joined Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, I was only 22 years. Samiti gave me opportunity to develop my personality. And today, I owe my full success to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. It is in my blood and spirit. It was NVS who gave me a chance to attend 15 days computer training program at JNV Sonitpur, Assam, organized by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti and Microsoft. Full credit of my success goes to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Thank you, Navodaya.
ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.
Students from rural areas up till here, and from here the cryptic crossword, this organization is taking them more forward. It was really an eye-opener for all of us, not only for my students. And I assure the next time one of the finalists will be from Jawahar Navodaya.
हजारों के सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है. अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है. अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके. ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.